They sent me the wrong color. They sent me the wrong color. Hey y'all, so this is day, I don't know what day we on Vlogmas. I'm gonna be honest with you. Let me keep it a book. But what I will say is I got packages to open. So we got a lot going on. So let me go this way right here so I can put my chair and got packages. Okay. So I also ordered pho. So I ordered pho, but I'm trying to wait to eat it because I forgot to get my dog's food. So I got it door dashed. So the food's supposed to be here in a minute, the dog food. Alright, y'all, I ordered so much stuff. But I honestly went crazy, to be honest. To be quite honest, I went crazy. And shouldn't have, but you know, we here now, so. I ordered a jacket. Yeah, I got an extra large in this. And I'm just glad I got the extra large. This honestly looks like, we gonna see. So cute. Cause I believe fall is for the girls. You know, winter is for the girls. It's for the girls. Okay, all right. I won't be disappointed in the fit. All right, okay. We up there. All right. This is actually a good fit. Yo, look at this. I like this. Bruh, just wait till I style this. Wait till your girl style this one. This is cute. I like it. I liked it. I think this other one is a purse. I think it's a purse. Okay. Oh, yes, y'all. So this is like, I got this purse during Black Friday for like $60. It's usually like $90. They sent me the wrong color. They sent me the wrong color. Okay, whatever. I got this. This Hermes dude. Yeah, I'm in my feelings right now because I ordered the black. I mean, this a vibe too, but I ordered the black, so now I'm gonna add to it. Came with a strap. I'm just disappointed now, and it came with a charm. So cute little Hermes dude. This is my second. I have this one I actually got from a vendor and I can't remember. But they make the dupe, so I got this one. I like this one. Y'all don't know I made it for real when I give me my first Hermes. I got this one. My first one. Okay. And then I got a bag from Dollar. I'm really low key in my feelings, y'all. High key, honestly, high key in my feelings. Hey! But they don't stay out there long because it's been raining, it's been muddy. They done messed up my cap. Like, it's just, this side of the house look like I got like 15 kids. Aloe. So, Aloe, I personally, I have not tried them on. But your girl is kind of hippie at the bottom, so I had to get me I have to make sure the stuff fits. So I got an extra large. This is the Aloe biker shorts. The Airlift Energy shorts. This is what I got. And an extra large. I ordered a lot of stuff during Black Friday. But only from Aloe, I ordered a few things. I ordered this headband, y'all. Ooh, I'm like, this right here, I'm excited for it because I need something for when I go to the gym. So, this is gonna be wore out. I'm probably gonna have to buy me another one. But, got the Aloe headband. And then yeah, I'm so mad about that purse. I'm like, should I send it back or should I just? Oh, okay. All right, it's shiny. I didn't know it was like aluminum, like metal. I got this crop top. It's like a crop sweater. Got all of this. This actually is in a large. The pants are in an extra large. This will fit fine. Yeah, I like this. I like that, and I thought it would be cute for like when I go to the gym and I need something to go over like all of my stuff. So that's all I got. I am upset. Now I gotta go to my Amazon order to make sure I ordered the right thing because they got me bent. Here go the black one right here. So Amazon, what y'all on? I didn't want the brown one. I 100% wanted the black one. Because the brown, see, I'm a black girl. So like I know that I'm gonna wear the black one more. And I just knew I was gonna pull out the black one more. Like because I'm just even thinking about the stuff I got now, like I don't know. I mean, it's cute. It's definitely cute. It's definitely like a good earrings too. This like part right here, I could definitely tell feels different from this one. Like it just feels different. But I love this bag right there. The one that I carry right now, but this one, y'all, I'm irritated. Like real, like high key irritated. Cause I didn't want this one. I wanted the black one. Whatever. It's fine. It's fine. I say shopping in progress. I just feel like it shouldn't take that long to grab 2 bags of dog food and get on the road. Like that's how I feel. But I think I'm also just irritated. I'm just irritated. This is Aloe's packaging. Super cute. This plain. I low-key like this like basic packaging like this. I mean, I like real cute packaging, but the basic like open it up like that, it just, to me, it just does something. Okay, so I want to show y'all my face routine. So, I started using this. This is I use CeraVe, but that one's out. So now I'm using the foaming face wash. My face is already kind of damp where it was. So I use that. Okay, so I use a paper towel to wipe my face. I don't use towels anymore. And this is the Viva paper towel. They're really soft. It's honestly my favorite paper towels. So this is what I use to wipe my face. And then I use the Farm Stay Snail Mucus Moisture Toner after I use my cleanser. And I also put this on a paper towel. Yeah, I had this really intimate moment with God where I was really telling him that I was giving him my 2025. Like, I was like, you know, I want you to literally help me to be consistent. And so this is the thing that God wants us, because I am very, like, all over the place sometimes. Like, I say I'm gonna do something, then I change my mind, then I'm not consistent in showing up. But I said I have to be consistent this year and come up with a plan. So I need God for that. So, because that's not my strong suit. So that's something that me and God had an intimate moment about. And I encourage people, if you are struggling with consistency or whatever it is, maybe it's being just intentional, maybe it's being like very discerning, whatever it is, those type of like abstract emotions or abstract things, you can go to God and he can help you with that. Like, and I think that I lost sight of that for a moment, or I didn't lose sight of it, but I'm starting to be more intentional with pulling on God for those things, for that extra strength, for that extra boost in my consistency. So that's something that I just encourage y'all in. But anyway, so I got this is the advanced snail 92 all-in-one cream. Y'all, this stuff, I want to show y'all this. I wonder if y'all can see it. Just like snail mucus. It's just like snail mucus. Oh, I started doing something new. So I'm doing the retinol night serum. And I do this like on these ends of my face and like on this part of my face, because it helps with like fine lines and texture. Okay. I let that dry. And then once it dries, I put on my cream. After that, I brush my teeth. I use Sensodyne to brush my teeth. And at night, I use my oil pulling. This stuff, y'all, my teeth looking a little different in just a couple of days. Like, my teeth looking just like my teeth look so much different. Figure out how to get rid of that. I have to brush my teeth. Then I go in my oil pulling. Put about that much in there. And then I try to do this for about 10 minutes. It'd be a long time, so I just be doing other stuff while.
A few moments later.
I really want this gap to be closed. Yeah, but let's see for that. And then after that, I go in with my lip sleep lip butter mask. And y'all, when I wake up, my lips be so soft. Okay, so at night I usually moisturize with the Jergens. I put on the EOS. This is the vanilla cashmere. And let me tell you something. It don't moisturize you. The Jergens do. I just put it on there because I like how it makes me smell at night. So I'm in this vanilla season in my life. Okay, so now I go in with my EOS. All my dogs made me want to get rid of them. I mean, the house is a complete mess. The house a complete mess. Like, and then it be too much. It be too much. Taking care of 2 dogs by myself, it's almost like, it's just like, I feel like I run a doggy center. Like, that's what I be feeling like. And I be like, maybe I just need to, I don't know, it's just too much. It's a lot. It's a lot. I got 2 dogs, got one, and I should have just kept with the one. The other one just came. I don't know. Well, before I end my night, I want to show y'all what I'm about to do. So I'm about to do my Bible study for tonight. I'm doing the Bible study book, and I didn't write my goals so I have a pink book, and in this book, like, I have like everybody that I should pray for, anybody that's special that I put in my prayers or anything like that, whoever God sends me or, brings to my thoughts. That's what I pray for, and I pray for them the entire month. And so that's kind of, I haven't done it this week, so I'm gonna have to do it. I'm gonna have to actually spend some time to do this Saturday. That's why I was like, well, I went to the gym 4 times, so I might just not go on Saturdays. And then tomorrow I might try to sign up, but I just gotta see what that's gonna be like. So yeah, so I'm about to go to bed and I'm about to wrap this vlog up, y'all. It's been real. I will see y'all tomorrow, okay?